What's up, YouTube? So it's just me and Jarrell today, but we're going to a little car wash type meet up for Apex, and yeah, it's about to rain, but we're still gonna go. So yeah, gassing up real quick. Gang, gang, gang.
You get short.
All right, let's get it. Yeah, this shit kind of bad. Look at all them boys. This shit kind of straight. Yeah, so we just walked in. Real, you know, he looking kind of amazed. Oh, damn, it's kind of dark. Oh shit. Look at Autumn. All right. What's up? We got a whole basketball court. That's crazy. That's crazy. That is.
This is MTV Cribs, and welcome to my crib.
Yeah, that's crazy, man.
Why did the whole crew stay out there? Here, I'm gonna I think when I didn't have I don't even remember when I'm a baby.
Right? Yeah, what? 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 Hold on. I didn't even get all our cars on there. Yeah, that's what's up, though.
Wait, I'm by the import squad. Whoa.
The top. Yeah, it just stores like weed and shit. It works. But no, I built this car originally for this thing's clean as speed, and then it didn't work out because I didn't have money. Yeah. But yeah. They're like, oh my god. It's like $8,000 bill total, like with the car purchase and everything. It's not too good. Nah. This back here was like, what up? Wait, is this boosted?
Who's got the?
I mean, technically, yes.
Yeah.
Technically, it does. You'll sit in the driver's seat, feel under the back. You'll see if I don't know. I want you to guess what is it launch? No. What's up?
Bro, I haven't sat in this car in a while, man.
You're right though. Two switches.
Right here.
Oh, when'd you get the shift now?
Stage 2 clean, and then the other is
You talking about right here?
Yeah. Shot, and then stage 2.
So you're the guy that's like when people run their mouths about Honda, you're the one who fucking shows them.
On the stage 2 with nitrous, it pushes. I got a dyno going to Georgia like 2 weeks ago, and it pushed like 306, I think. Don't let them fool you. Those switches don't do anything. They do.
And why you trying to race me?
You want to race?
I got a crew. No, you. Yeah, why you want to race me though? I got a sedan. You want to race me?
Oh, I want that.
Oh, you want
I've been waiting.
You want?
No. Oh, you got something else?
I'll bring you a 2002 Camaro.
Or did you just take off a?
Blaze has seen
is
my
that?
Camaro. Blaze.
Is that SS?
Yeah, because
No, this is Z.
it was like all rotted.
Yeah, you posted on the group chat, didn't you?
Yeah, the red and black Camaro.
Yeah.
I'll whip that thing out here. We'll throw down. That thing's got 315s on the back. We'll go.
Dude,
It's stock. So I was
Hey
just,
man,
I was
it's
just
Camaro
saying.
stock. Camaro stock. The Mustang stock
So
too.
it's haunted.
Everything I got stock.
Bro, I've known you since the last year or whenever. I know the
Everything
Mustangs.
I own is stock as fuck.
Because they're fucked. I think the only thing out here that my car would beat would maybe be that Miata.
Let's roll.
From
Let's roll.
I'm not gonna race anybody because that thing's expensive to fix. The Miata not so
I
expensive.
don't give a fuck. We'll do it from a dig.
Yeah.
Oh, from a dig?
Yeah.
It had the speed wheels on it. They got road. Yeah, I know it's like.
I'm getting into it. I did an MR2.
Yeah, I saw that.
I'm just gonna ride.
Yeah, for real.
Yeah, this has got about like 1,500 horsepower, turbo. 6 liter.
Nah, man, those headlights, tape on them, that's like 50 horsepower right there. That's double power. Swear to God.
We got Chef Ethan over here cooking up some. Hey, oh yeah, go ahead.
Ridiculous amount. I don't know how you can fit that.
Yeah, we got the weenie. Probably can't see that, but all right, go ahead. All right, look at Blaze. All right, bet.
Wait, Autumn, it's your turn?
Yeah, I wish I could do that. You all right? Hold on.
Hell yeah.
Damn. Damn.
This is like so fucking long, so. You guys almost kissed.
3, 2, 1.
I had a skateboard getting stolen.
My roommate, his name was Shaheem Cohen. Bro,
I think he went all the way up the hill.
about 280. Okay, so 280 in my room. I had a big ass ring. I had like a 60 millimeter ring. I was like, bro, I feel like